Welcome, Falcons. Here's another edition of First Page Friday. With all that's been going on in the world, I've been reading about the civil rights movement and specifically school integration. I read The Power of One, Daisy Bates and the Little Rock Nine last week, and it brought me back to The Lions of Little Rock by Kristen Levine, a great work of fiction about the school integration in Little Rock. So here it is, First Page Friday, The Lions of Little Rock by Kristen Levine. Chapter 1, The High Dive. I talk a lot, not just out loud where anyone can hear. At least I used to be that way. I'm no chatterbox now, but if you stop me on the street and ask me directions to the zoo, I'll answer you. Probably. If you're nice. I might even tell you a couple of different ways to get there. I guess I've learned it's not enough to just think things. You have to say them too, because all the words in the world won't do much good if they're just rattling around in your head. But I'm getting ahead of myself. To understand me and how I've changed, I need to go back to 1958. And that is the first page of The Lions of Little Rock, a story about integrating Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas in 1958. Enjoy this. It is a spectacular story. Tune in next week for another First Page Friday.